guys, welcome to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to Dog reacting to cutting cake, funny dog cake reactions, and someone told me that the dog's reactions are too funny to be real. So let's go ahead and watch this. The background music. They just locked themselves in there. That does look real, so if I were a dog. Is that dog wearing a tuxedo? You squished the dog. The dog or Shopi. That's how to make a dog smart. Here's this one. Oh, the dog cried. Aww. Oh. 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 Oh, just locked me up. That's a husky. And he got scared. Just hide under the table. Yeah. This is my new home. Look, it's one. Oh. If I were a dog, I would be scarred for life. So bad. Oh no. Dogs are crying over the little dog cake. That's a cool hoodie. Why did they even make dog cakes? So weird. That could be a real hit meme, okay? That would be the best meme in the world. I'm sorry if my volume or mic goes off for some bits because my screen recorder my phone doesn't really support the screen recorder I'm using, so sorry for that. These dogs are gonna be scarred for life. That dog. Okay. You eat dogs? Okay. And don't forget to... Okay guys, don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you huge in the next video. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the future. Peace.